You're turning it the wrong way, I think, Gracie. There you go. So today we're working on this 17 horsepower two-cylinder engine, opposed twin. And we're pulling some parts off of this to get this 19.5 running, hopefully. Because we got this mower for free. And we want to, and the mower engine is supposedly good in it. So we're going to put a starter on it, maybe a coil, clean the carb up and see if we can get it running. We're going to put this in our $200 mower that we got off of Craigslist. And then we're going to pull that engine out. That's a single cylinder 17 horse. And we're going to put it in Jeremiah's project race cart. So this was a Sears with a 12 horse on it. So we're going to put a 17 horse in place and do a pulley swap on it. Some other modifications.
I got all the screws out.
But I've got some help today. Gracie's helping and Jeremiah's helping. So we're going to pull this cover off so we can get the starter off. And that'll also get us to the coil, because I think that's what the guy said was the coil was bad on it. So we're just going to keep plugging away at this and hopefully get this mower, that other engine, on this mower running tonight. Just lift it up, Grace.
How do you get this?
Just lift it up. You don't need to take it off. Just lift the piece right up. It just plugs into there in the bottom. It just popped out. That's all. Get the cover off right here.
Right here?
Go ahead and take the.
Where?
Take the wrench. Go right there.
Right where?
Right there.
Okay.
Put your wrench up. There you go. Getting them? Put your wrench back on it. Put your ratchet back on there and turn it a little bit more, and you probably will be able to get it to turn with your fingers. Got it? You need some help? Let me come through there. Right by the hoist and the stove. You getting it? There, I think you got it. Okay, put them all in the lid. We don't want to lose them. You can move on. Put it down in the lid too. Right there. Well, and then we'll have the cover off, guys. Okay, so now Jeremiah's getting the starter off, and hopefully it'll work on the other engine. They're pretty similar engines, so we're hoping they will. There's one more bolt. There's one more bolt, and it's hidden up in there. You're going to need an open end. Why don't you take that bolt off on the other one? The same bolt you took off on the starter, right? See, right there on this starter? That's the starter. You took that bolt off right there.
Right here.
Yep.
So that goes.
Can you get it? Pull.
Is it
Pull.
this one?
Pull. You got it. Good job. Get right onto the... Yep, good job, bud. Well, we got this mower free thrown in with another lawnmower that we got. Just did a little cleaning